Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is a part 4 of the Today Udemy course. This is the last part. If you haven't watched the part 1, part 2 and part 3 of the course, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. So before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. The next course is Slide Hustle Mastery 2021. In this course, you will uncover the some of the most profitable side hustle that can you start with even if you are work full-time job. Learn all about the six-figure side hustle in chapter 2. This is one of the most powerful income opportunity of them all and can be added done by several different day. Find out a way you can spend less than 1 hour on a day on the side hustle that could be a thousand of a month in a just short time. Make a real money by taking advantage of the one of the favorite side hustle. This is the one of the most easiest to get started with. This course in 33 minutes on demand with full lifetime access, excel variety and certification commission. The next course is immunity boosting food, protect and boost your immune system. The coupon code of this course is 5C479388F45544D5709C8. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is immunity boosting food, protect and boost your immune. In this course, you will understand your immune system, how it works, and science behind it, the importance of having a strong immune system, and how to boost it naturally. Proven strategy to make implement right way to make your body stronger and healthier. The top 100 superfood that will give strengthen your immune system, how photochemical and can strengthen immunity and more, how antioxidant protect and boost your immune system, discover a specific cancer fighting food, learn how to omega-3 help fight disease, discover how to boost your immunity, explore the importance of probiotics and guts, discover how polysaccharides improve your immune system and well-being. This course is one on-demand view, one article, full lifetime excel variety and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 6303312B61E399975888F2. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Secret of Psychology, why people do the thing they do. In this course, you will gain a deep understanding of the values and belief that you drive people. Every action, realize yourself from emotion, pain, and frustration by discovering how emotion really work and how can you get better mastery, break through a personal illusion, and unleash your hidden power, gain hidden knowledge of what drive motivation and the master key of success, discover how to imprint period, have literally program you for life and how to reprogram it, discover how the pain and pleasure rule you life and the secret how to make this work for your instead or against you, see how to false persons drive the habit and behavior to yourself and others, take back control and free yourself, learn how to self-image, determine what you will do and won't do, and so much more. These courses 6 are on demand one article, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 09. The coupon code of this course is 0D93697594F121F9D728. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Basic Arabic Reading. In this course, you will reading Arabic word, learning Arabic alphabet, recognizing Arabic letter, learning Arabic sound, learning Arabic diacritics, 200 plus Arabic vocabulary word. These courses to are on demand view to article 10 downloadable basis to practice successful lifetime exam warranty and certification completion. The coupon code of this course is APR 2021 free. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Android iOS. This course is in Turkish. This course includes 15.5 hour on-demand video to practice successful lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 1C9B FC4359A3C8535260. The coupon code is valid for 1 day. The next course is Adapt Lightroom CC. This course is in Spanish. This course is in 3.5 on-demand video, 1 article, 16 downloadable lessons, full lifetime access, exam warranty, assigned and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is F9AFCEE328895BCA7E. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Completed Seat Management. This course is 1 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 0A2598C1B427E8CB3C7D. The coupon is valid for 1 day. The next course is Desafio Super Professionalist 3.0. This course is 13 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 755F5DA5273CA51FA802. The coupon code is valid for 1 day. The next course is Marta Uzmalik Meeting. This course is in English. This course is in Turkish. This course is 15 hour on-demand video, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 379FC19B BCC60174CAF03. The coupon code is valid for 1 day. The next course is Online Mini MBA. This course is 42.5 hour on-demand video, 6 downloadable lessons, full lifetime access, exam warranty, and certification commission. The coupon code of this course is 49F84A00FB6BFAE7A027. The coupon is valid for 1 day. Watch the full video and apply the course as soon as possible. If you have any doubt or query, then comment below. Share this video with friends and family members because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.